Hey guys, it's time for a giveaway. My name is Frankie from G-Life UTV. We partnered with Proline Wraps to give away a full wrap kit for a Polaris Razor or Can-Am X3. You have the chance to win a full pro kit from the website, and the rules are super simple. Here on YouTube, all you gotta do is comment in the video down below. But more importantly, you gotta subscribe to not only this channel, G-Life UTV, but Proline Wraps. They got some really good videos, including how to wrap a RZR, which is pretty dope that they show you kind of how to do that. The winner, we are gonna check that you are subscribed. Don't try to screw us on that. We wanna make sure we support Proline Wraps for doing this giveaway. This is their idea. The giveaway ends December 24th for Christmas. But if you can't wait, visit ProLineWraps.com or give them a call and get your wrap today. We'll see you guys on Christmas for the giveaway. And remember, stay dirty. Alright guys, this is behind the scenes. I'm making this freaking video. Shout out to Andrew over there at Proline Wraps. You guys really should subscribe to his channel. They make some good content. They said they're gonna make more of it because they weren't making some. It's kind of hard when you put out videos that are really high quality and you don't get the views that you're looking for, but they're gonna keep going at it. I told them, should I stay consistent? But they're really cool, so shout out to Andrew. My machine is out here. I got a customers and I got Abraham's. This is the sneak peek. This is the behind the scenes. All of them are freaking dirty. Check this out. This is the freaking Glamis dust still. This car's not mine, and this car over here is dirty too. I literally just washed the front end just so it looks good on the videos. Hey man, I don't have time. Gotta get it done, right? So hope you guys enjoy the giveaway. Man, again, shout out to Proline for stepping up and doing this giveaway. It was actually their idea, so all kudos to them. Thank you for letting me be a part of it, because it's always fun giving away stuff to the off-road community, because that's what it's all about sometimes, giving back, because the off-road community is freaking awesome. So how about some sneak peeks? You guys want some sneak peeks? We're gonna be doing some HCR Sportline training arms and A-arms. Those are dope. Actually, the A-arms are on the back of my machine. We're doing like a Yamaha color scheme here with the gray and the blur bowl, so that's gonna look dope. And this right here, this is not gonna work at all, but this is kind of foreshadowing something I got going on. It's gonna be really cool. Let me show you the other part of that. Really cool. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. So this is the size of a regular whip, right? This is the pole that you know, the guys over at 5150 use. There's a 3/8 pole, and I got a special one made. Check this out. You guys see that? If you guys can guess what that's for, let me know in the comment section down below. But I'll tell you right now, it's gonna be really, really freaking cool. I'm excited for that. But I gotta visit Desert Works. I gotta weld some tabs. A bunch of stuff's going on. But anyways, see you guys in the next one. It's giveaway time. Today, my name Frank. Guys, it is giveaway time. My name's Frankie, and we're giving away a Proline Wraps. No. It's giveaway time. Today, full pro kit from the Hey guys, it's time for a giveaway. My name is Frankie, and today we're giving away a full UTV wrap giveaway. Full UTV wrap.
Give up. Just give up.